Hi, today I'm playing Floodrunner 4, and if you don't know what that is, why does this camera keep going down? If you don't know what that is, it's kind of like Nyan Cat, but it's a little bit different. You jump around on floating island thingies, attack enemies, get power-ups, and I think I'm at the maximum level, which is level 30, so yeah. And then you can fight bosses by doing key combos. Okay, so it's gonna start out kind of boring in the beginning, but later on it starts to get more interesting. Why is my camera so blurry today? Stop. Why does it do this? So blurry. Can it like not pick up the movement or something? I mean, the camera quality didn't look that bad in the Minecraft videos. I don't know if this like just can't pick up constant movement like that doesn't stop like this. I don't know. It's just not working today for some reason. So sorry about that if it's blurry. And sorry if this is kind of boring because it's basically like the same thing. But I mean, there's probably some people who find this interesting, but then there's also some people who think it's kind of boring. So if you want, like if you find this boring, you can skip ahead. And hopefully it gets interesting later when things get faster and things start to get more hard. So, actually I don't know what I'm gonna say. I don't know. I feel like it's kind of boring if I don't talk at all, but I don't really know what to say because it's just me doing this. And then once I die, the video will end. And if you enjoyed this video, hopefully, then I'll probably make a Floodrunner 4 Part 2. I feel like I said Part 2 in a kind of weird voice. It's like Part 2. Come on, I'm so close. Oh, so close. I was trying to get up higher. I'm probably gonna be able to go up now. Oh no, I can't. Wait. Oh. Oh, I made it. Yes. Oh, I'm falling back down. I don't know why, I'm just purposely going down now, to be honest. Oh no. I'm on fire. Guess what? Hopefully I don't die. Yeah. Oh, come on. I have to pause the video for now. I guess this is the end of part 1. So if I make a part 2, I'll see you in that. And bye. I'm just gonna... Okay, bye.